Once there was a man who had some gold coins. Now he wanted to use that gold of those coins to make some jewelry. So to find out how much gold he has, he stacked up these coins. So he saw that how, keeping one coin on top of the other, he created this figure called cylinder. You can see that these coins have actually formed a cylinder having a curved surface and two circular bases. Now to find out how much gold these coins contain, he needs to find the volume of this cylinder. We know what is this volume of a cylinder? It is actually the measure of the space occupied by this cylinder. So in that way only he'll know how much gold he is having here. Now instead of that, we can also say that the volume of the cylinder is area of this each circular coin into height. Now how does this come from? Let's see. The area of each circular coin, that means area of this, into height, that is this height. We have kept one coin on top of the other and created this height. So actually what we have done, we have calculated this area, that is area of each circular coin, into this height. Now this will actually give us what? Our volume. So we know that the area of each circular coin is what? Area of a circle. Now area of a circle with radius r is actually pi r square into height, that is the height we have made of this cylinder, that is h. So this gives us pi r square h. Now the volume of any cylinder can be calculated with the formula pi r square h, where r is the radius of the circular base and height is the height of the cylinder. So now you know that volume of a cylinder is actually area of the base, that is this, that is pi r square, into height, that is this height of the cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Here you can see that these candles are in the form of a cylinder. Now if I tell you that each candle has a height of 21 centimeter and a radius of 5 centimeter, how much wax will I require to make these candles? Now for that, what do you need to do? You need to find out the volume of this candle. Do it yourself. Now we know that the volume of any cylinder is what? Pi r square h, where r is the radius of the circular base and height is the height of the cylinder. So now substituting this in this formula, we'll get the amount of wax required, that is the volume of this cylinder. So let's do it. This is what? Pi r square h. So pi, that is 22 by 7, into r square. R square means r into r. Here r is 5 centimeter. Into h, that is 21 centimeter. We'll get what? 1650 centimeter cube. Now why have we used the unit cubic centimeter? Because volume is always represented by cubic units. Because volume is always represented with cubic units. So now you know that volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, where r is the radius of the circular base and height, and h is the height of the cylinder.